we're diving into exciting leaks and updates about the upcoming iPhone 16 lineup. Get ready for a sneak peek into the design changes that could revolutionize the tech world. Design upgrades. The iPhone 16 series is gearing up for some major design shifts, especially noticeable in the standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus models. Recent leaks suggest significant changes that could set a new standard in smartphone design. Camera layout. Say goodbye to the diagonal camera setup. Apple is revamping the camera layout with a vertical, pill-shaped camera island reminiscent of the iPhone X, but with enhanced lenses and sensors. This means get ready for stunning photography experiences. New features. Rumor has it that the iPhone 16 might feature an innovative addition, the Action button. This button could bring new functionalities like camera shutter control or customizable options, enhancing user experience. Performance enhancements. The iPhone 16 series is expected to be powered by the latest A18 Bionic chip, promising faster processing speeds and better graphics performance. This upgrade could make a significant difference in gaming, video editing, and multitasking capabilities. Display improvements. Apple might also be working on improving the display technology, potentially introducing a promotion display with a 120Hz refresh rate on all models. This would offer smoother scrolling, more responsive touch inputs, and an overall better viewing experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates and leaks about the iPhone 16 series. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest tech news.